Hey everyone, Haven and I are all about savings. And we all know that the Costco Rotisserie chicken is a great steal.
Well, today we're putting Eileen to the test. We'll see if she could whip up 4 delicious dishes with just one roasted chicken.
I'm going to show you 4 dishes that are Asian inspired. So let's go.
So let's start by shredding the chicken. So we're making another version of the Filipino Pancit or Chowmein. First, let's cut up all the vegetables. Now we're gonna start sauteing. I have some pork left in the fridge and I love using leftovers. It cleans up our fridge. And now add the chicken and then the onions and add some fish sauce for the umami flavor. And then I add some soy sauce and oyster sauce. These are staples in my kitchen. I use this a lot in a lot of my cooking. I added some black pepper and put aside some of the chicken. Now add some water and chicken powder and let it boil. Once it's boiling, you can add the celery and the carrots. And you can now add also the canton dried noodles, which is made of wheat flour. It's another version of the Filipino pancit. Now you can add the rest of the vegetables. The zucchini, just mix it, and the leafy vegetables. You can actually use any greens that you have in your fridge. You can even use broccoli and bok choy, anything. And here I added the rest of the chicken. And there you go. You got pancit.
Good.
Good.
So for the chicken noodle soup, I boiled the bones so I could get more flavor from it. Next, dice up all the vegetables. Now we're gonna start sauteing. We're gonna put the garlic and then the onion, and then we add the chicken and saute it for a little bit, and then of course add again the fish sauce for the umami flavor. Add some black pepper also, and then now you can add the carrots, the celery. Mix it for a minute or so, and we're gonna be ready now to put this mixture into the chicken broth. Now add some chicken powder, let it boil, and now add the Vienna sausage. And then add half a box of the elbow macaroni. Cook the noodles following the instructions on the box. Now we're gonna add the zucchini into the soup, but make sure that you don't overcook it or it's gonna be mushy. So here's the ultimate comfort food, a warm, hearty bowl filled with flavorful chicken and perfectly cooked noodles and vegetables.
It's really delicious. Off the record, this is really good. Talagang sarap.
Now let's do the third dish, chicken garlic soy sauce pasta. Let's start with the olive oil and 4 tablespoons of butter. Add some minced garlic. I love garlic, so the more the better. And some pepper flakes. And I added soy sauce and oyster sauce. And basically that's it. Cook the sauce for a minute or two, and then all you have to do is add the pasta and add some pasta water also and mix it, and that's it. Add fresh parsley and the Costco chicken and you got a meal. This is my go-to emergency dish. It's easy to make, but it's so good. Now we got the last dish, chicken fried rice. Now first we're gonna fry the proteins. I'm using leftover pork again, and then here's the chicken, the Costco chicken. I'm also using the leftover sauce from the garlic soy sauce pasta. Now add some carrots and add a little bit of oil and butter. Now add some garlic. Now add the day-old rice and just mix it. I add chicken powder instead of salt. Have you noticed that I always use chicken powder? It's one of the staple seasonings in my kitchen. Now time to add the scrambled eggs. Now cook the eggs, mix everything, and add some green onions, and you got chicken fried rice.
Off the record, this is really good. Very good. Can't stop.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly cooking ideas and tips. Let's keep making flavorful meals without breaking the bank. See you in our next vlog.